Transformational moments. What does that mean? Transformational moments are when disruption exists at the same time as what's being disrupted. There was a time when horse and buggies and cars would be on the same road. This is something we can't even imagine today. But for a while, there were horse and buggies and cars all trying to use the same roads. That was a transformational moment. Today's example of that is autonomous cars. We have autonomous cars on the highway right now, right alongside cars that are being driven by humans. What's the domino effect of that? What will it do to insurance? What will it do to selling cars? What will it do to car manufacturing, right? That's transformational. And how do we prepare for that? One, look around. Anytime you're startled by some piece of technology or some change in service or some feature, it's probably a transformational moment. Secondly, adoption. So if you're looking around, maybe you see one autonomous car in a month, okay, that's probably not going to change our world. What if you're seeing 3 a day? What if you're seeing 10 a day? What if you're seeing 100 over a week? That's something to pay attention to. Look for speed and agility. How quickly is this product moving forward? How quickly is this product adapting? How quickly is this product transforming? Let's take Uber, for example. How quickly did Lyft get into business? Uber wasn't the only rideshare business out there. There are other companies that got into that game. Look for media. Is there viral media about this? Are you seeing this on your news channel at night? Are you seeing it in YouTube? Are there people around the water cooler talking about it? Because if that's true, then you're witnessing a cultural transformation. And that is a transformational moment. Finally, look for utility. And what I mean by that is, how useful is whatever it is you're seeing? Uber made a lot of sense. Anybody who's ever traveled thought to themselves, gee, it's easy to find a taxi when you're at the airport, and it's easy to find a taxi when you're in a big city like New York. But what do you do when you're at the restaurant in, Texas, and you have to call a taxi, wait for them to show up? You're not sure if they're going to take your credit card. You're not sure if you have enough cash. You don't even know which taxis are good, which ones are bad. Maybe you're driving some clients home or something. Uber took care of all that. Lyft took care of all that. They made it very clear. You could even watch the car. You knew exactly when it was going to get there. That's utility, and it was valuable. If you have adoption, you have speed, you have media out there promoting it, and most importantly, you have utility, you have identified a transformational moment. Now it's time to socialize it. Find out how transformational it is. Talk to your peers, talk to your coworkers, talk to other organizations. Then it's time to start planning for it. And that means gathering a group, sitting down and talking about it. Trying to just brainstorm around these ideas. How will it affect your business? It doesn't hurt the game plan to at least understand, to have some ideas, to understand what's coming. And sometimes these transformational moments are going to lead to something you can capitalize on. This has been a FinTech tip. Thanks for watching. Hope that you enjoyed it. If you like this, please go hit breakingdigitalgridlock.com. There's lots more where this came from. Please, click on one of the next links if you can, because there's lots more of these tips. Please subscribe. And finally, love to hear comments. Share with us what you're thinking. If you have ideas around this, if I missed something, please, we'd love to have a conversation with you. Again, thanks. And also, don't forget, all of this can be found in my book, Breaking Digital Gridlock, which can be bought anywhere you can buy books. Thanks again.